I'm joined now by Paul from Sharp Systems Limited. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Good morning, how are you?
Yeah, you know what? I am not bad. It's been a year since we last spoke.
Time flies.
Time really does fly.
Too quick.
Too quick. But we're back here at PPMA Total Show 2025. And I have to say, the stand is looking rather nice this year.
Yeah, this is the biggest stand we've ever had. Got lots of equipment on here that I'll give you a little tour of.
Fantastic. Before we do that, though, I would love just to delve into a bit of an overview of what Sharp Systems does.
We manufacture, process and handling equipment for major food companies within the UK. We cover all of the UK, from all sectors, ready meals, frozen, fresh, you name it, we do it. Bakery's very big for us.
Yeah, fantastic. And I love this as well because there are so many industries that sort of you're covering, which is great because you're the one that they need to come to. You're providing that solution.
Shop.
One-stop shop. Brilliant. All right, Paul, let's have a little look around some of the machinery that you have brought this year.
Yeah, this is a vegetable washing flume. So the vegetables get put in here, it's full of water and it's pumped through this. The product goes over this and then onto the dewatering belt. So the water falls through the belt and is then recirculated in here. This removes any debris. The water is then dropped into the tank where there's a cooling system to keep the water chilled, and then the water is recirculated back to the flume as product continually comes through it. Yeah, we've just made 4 of these for a major.
Can't imagine that was an easy task.
No. There's a lot of equipment go with it as well. So that's all being installed next month. So.
Oh, fantastic! And I mean,
very kind and let us bring it here to exhibit it.
Yeah, and how's the reaction been to this? Because it's quite an impressive piece of kit.
We've had a few inquiries off the back of it. Some existing customers that didn't know we'd done such things. So yeah, it's looking positive.
And that's one of the great things about PPMA. It is that ability to be able to showcase things that people might not know you do.
Yeah, and then we've got this, which is our reversing spiral that is used for accumulation. So if there's a problem down system, people will divert products onto this and then go up, fills the spiral up, and then when the problem down line has been solved, they can then reverse the spiral and put the product back onto the line, which we've sold quite a few of these now. They're becoming very popular because it helps to keep the lines running.
Absolutely, which of course it just makes it more efficient and cost effective, right?
You know, efficiency is key, so if they can keep the line running through major blips downstream, yeah, this is the solution.
And people are now looking for a lot of solutions like this when it comes to automating ways of trying to reduce risk.
Yes, of course. And then this is one of our side drive accumulation systems. Again, this can be used, it comes in low, goes out low, so you can have it in a production line. Again, if there's a problem downstream, you can divert the product onto this, slow it down, bunch the product up until the problem downstream is sorted, and then you can divert it back onto the line. And these can be made incredibly tall. We've actually just looked at some 7 meters tall. Yeah, that's a lot of accumulation.
But it is great though that actually this can be adapted to what your customers need.
Yeah, I mean it comes in all different belt widths. We can do lots of configurations with it. It's a really good piece of equipment.
Yeah, fantastic. And what have we got here? This is new. I've not seen this one before.
No, you haven't. And it's got some kids' play balls in it to highlight what it's doing. It's a vertical lowerator, which can be also used to elevate. We've made multiple ones of these that come directly out of spiral freezers when they don't have a lot of space, and it brings the product down in a controlled manner vertically to the production lines for the operators to pack.
And it looks quite fun.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
I do quite like this as though, and another sort of fun thing when you've got a nice big stand, you can be nice and creative here as well. So catch people's eye, get them in, and then you can have those good conversations.
You can, and this is one of our bulk weighing systems that you can fill either boxes, the box is put on a load cell, and then that conveyor in the middle reverses in either direction. So when you've filled one box, it will then reverse, so you can start filling another box. We have got a bag facility, so you can have bags on it or boxes, so we've got one of each just to demonstrate the flexibility of it. Sell quite a few of these as well to people that want to bulk their product up. We've got sauce sachets running around it today, which is what the first one we made was for. We've actually supplied them 2 of it where they had 8 people packing sauce on scales. They've now got 1 person running 2 machines. So quite a saving.
Yeah, absolutely. And of course, the industry is all over the place at the moment. We've been hearing all about that here
Everybody
at
wants to save
PPMA.
somebody.
Yeah.
And then finally, we've got one of our diverging. Won't know that.
Let's go around the front to have a look at this one. 'Cause it's
Divergent convergence systems. So this has been made specifically for the show. So things come in single file, and then we diverge it into 4 lanes for accumulation, and then we then release a gate and then put it through the convergence system that then takes it from 4 lanes back into 1 lane. So it's utilising, showing 2 things that we can do, which again, good sellers. And then we've got a lovely video here. This is a project we've just done.
nice. This looks great.
4 spiral freezers were installed. We made a 220 metre square platform and about 55 conveyors to divert product to all different lines. Some of those vertical lower raters were actually in that system.
Wow. I mean, it's quite the maze, isn't it? But once
Yeah.
you put it all together, it's...
Well, we drew it in 3D and then they've rendered it and made a video of it so we can showcase to people exactly what we can do.
But you can understand how having something like this, just that efficiency within the factory would be sort of top-notch when it comes to adding all of these pieces together to make that efficiency in the automation and, like you said, that cost saving really there for the companies.
Definitely, yes.
Amazing. So just before I let you go, because I know we've got a busy day 3 coming up as well, why is it important that you come back to PPMA every year?
It's always nice to showcase. We have a lot of visitors that are clients we're currently dealing with, and then you also see new people that you can showcase what you do and get inquiries from them, and hopefully, generate more clientele.
Absolutely. Paul, thank you so much for talking to us again, and I'll see you next year.
Yeah, you will indeed.